There are times where you might want to take your Oculus Quest 2 to a friend's house or on vacation. And in this video, I'll show you a cool product that will help keep this expensive VR headset safe. This is the Retear Oculus Quest 2 carrying case. It's got a hard shell and is covered in a felt-like material on the outside. And it's very nondescript, so no one will know what you're carrying inside. That way, I think it really helps reduce the possibility of theft. It comes with a bag of accessories, which I'll show you later. And there's a shoulder strap that can be attached if needed. So let's take a closer look. The inside has a molded form that helps hold the headset and controllers in place. It might not be apparent at first, but the controllers need to be nested inside of each other for them to fit into the center of the case. And then the headset goes on the end with the hinge. The molded base conforms to everything and it feels very snug inside. I can also use the elastic strap to keep things from falling out when the lid is open. Now I only have the regular head strap, but there's room to accommodate an Oculus Quest 2 with an aftermarket headband as well. On the lid, there's a zippered compartment to carry things like charging cables and the included accessories. One of the items included is this face cover. It's nice and thick and can seal out light better than the original Oculus silicone cover. Retear also gives you some silicone tips for the joystick. They're a little tricky to install, but they'll stretch on there and give you some extra grip. And there's a soft protective cover for the lenses to keep them from getting scratched. Okay, so let me show you one more time how to pack the Retear Oculus Quest 2 carrying case. This is great for traveling and keeping your Oculus safe. But I also like having it at home and using the case to store all my Oculus stuff together. It's nice knowing that I can just grab this out of the closet and know I've got everything I need inside. I'll list this in the description to make it easy for you to find. Now, protecting your Oculus Quest 2 is easy with the storage case from Retear. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.